Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Mania. Today we see how to use pivot table in MS Excel. Let's see. Firstly, select all the data, go to Insert tab, select pivot table, click on OK, select all row labels, then select all the values. Go to Design tab, go to Report Layout, show this data in tabular form. Then go to Subtotal, do not show subtotal. Then this data will perfectly arrange. Now we can filter out it as per city and as per designation. Let's select the Delhi and filter it as per designation. Here is a perfect use of pivot table.